Hi, I'm Mark and welcome to another lesson with Master Everyday English. Let's practice a standard conversation making an order over the telephone. So you're going to hear the person taking your order. Now this is going to be difficult, so you have to listen carefully. Very often they are busy, so there'll be lots of customers, there'll be lots of noise, and also the staff are normally busy, so they're talking quickly because they want to take your order and then continue working. The first thing you hear might be something like this.
Hi, order pizza. I'm just going to put you on hold for a second.
Now that's pretty difficult to understand, but what we'll do is we'll also listen to it again, nice and slowly, nice and clearly, so you can practice and you can also read along with the conversation. So the first thing you'll probably hear is this.
Hi, Everyday Pizza. If you're ready, I'll take your order.
Quite quick and difficult, but this is exactly what she said.
Hi, Everyday Pizza. If you're ready, I'll take your order.
You want to know firstly about their appetizers, sometimes called appetizers, starters or sides, basically things that go with your pizza. So you ask, what appetizers do you have? And she responds like this.
We have chicken wings, mozzarella sticks, or garlic bread.
We have chicken wings, mozzarella sticks, or garlic bread.
If you're ordering from a pizza place, most places will have chicken wings, mozzarella sticks, potato wedges, garlic bread. And so you decide that you want to get some chicken wings. And so you say, "Can I get some chicken wings, please?" And she responds,
Is that 6, 8, or 12 pieces? Bone in or out? And sauces?
Is that 6, 8, or 12 piece? Bone in or out? And any sauces?
Now, honestly, chicken wings are a big thing in the United States, and we could do a whole lesson just about chicken wings. But we're just gonna focus in on your response. So firstly, you have to decide how many chicken wings you want. Then you have to decide if you want the bone left inside the wing, or you can have the bone taken out where it's really only the meat and it's a little bit more like a chicken nugget or a chicken strip. Then you have to decide what sauce you want with your chicken wings. The normal sauces you'll find in most pizza places are ranch, blue cheese, barbecue, buffalo, and honey mustard. Let's say you're having a party, you've got some friends coming over, and you want to get something sweet and something spicy. So you say, "Yeah, can I get 12 pieces bone in and with the honey mustard and a buffalo sauce, please?" And so she responds,
Okay, and what pizza would you like? Okay, and what pizza would you like?
So now you're on to ordering your pizza. So very quickly, there are lots of different pizzas you can order, but from most pizza places, the common pizzas that you can order are margherita, Hawaiian, pepperoni, a meat feast, and a vegetarian option. Like we said, you got some friends coming over, so you decide to order 2 pizzas. "Yeah, I'd like a margherita pizza and a pepperoni pizza, please." And so she responds,
You want them both large, and you want them thin, hand-tossed, or
Do you want them both large? And do you want them thin, hand-tossed, or deep pan?
A small pizza is normally about 10 inches wide, and that's probably good for like 1, maybe 2 people. A medium-sized pizza is a bit bigger, it's about 12 inches, and that's normally good for 2 or 3 people. Then the large pizza is normally 13 or 14 inches, and that's normally good for 3, 4, or even more people. You also have to choose the style of bread that you want for the pizza. So there's the thin crust, and that's where the bread is very, very thin, a little bit like maybe a traditional Italian pizza. Then you have what's often called the hand-tossed pizza, and that's more of your sort of regular crust. It's normally like a medium thickness. And then you have the deep pan. The deep pan is much thicker. It's almost like a pizza pie. Well, like we said, you have some friends coming round, so you want to get the large pizzas and you want to get just the regular hand-tossed pizza. So you say, yeah, I'll get 2 large pizzas, hand-tossed, please. Then she says,
Okay, any drinks or desserts?
Okay. Any drinks or desserts?
so the drinks that you normally get at a pizza place are either water or soft drinks, things like Coke or Sprite or Dr. Pepper. And the desserts are normally pretty simple as well. So you'll get things like brownies, cinnamon rolls, chocolate chip cookies. So you decide you want to get something simple, and so you say, yeah, I'll get some cinnamon rolls, please. Then she says,
Okay, that's all. Your total's going to be $45.80. Is that pickup or delivery?
Okay, if that's all, your total is going to be $45.70. Is this pickup or delivery?
now you can either go to the pizza place and collect the pizza yourself, or you can get it delivered to your address, to your home address. You've decided you want them to deliver it. So you say, yeah, delivered please. And so she's going to need your name and your address. And so she asks,
Can I get the name and address, please? Can I get the name and address, please?
all you have to say is your name and your address. And so you respond, sure, it's Mark. The address is 2434 45th Avenue South, St. Petersburg. And so she says,
And is this a good number to contact you on? And is this a good number to contact you on?
they might ask you for your telephone number just in case they need to contact you about the order. For you, the number that they have is fine. So you say, yeah, this number's fine to contact me on. And so finally, she says to you,
Thanks for your order. We'll get that for you within the hour.
Thanks for your order. We'll get that to you within the hour.
now all you have to do is sit and wait for your pizza to arrive. One more thing, with pizza delivery, it's always a good idea to tip the delivery person. It's normally just a few dollars, but it's kind of customary in the United States to give a tip to the person who delivers your food. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in more videos like this, please go to my channel, Master Everyday English. There are lots of other videos about life and work in the United States.